Hello dear viewers. Today I will tell you about the life and leadership of Yavuz Sultan Selim, one of the important rulers of the Ottoman Empire. Yavuz Sultan Selim was born on the 10th of October, 1470 in Amasya. His father was Bayezid II, and his mother was Aişe Hatun. He spent his princedom in Amasya, since his father Bayezid II was not a strong sultan. Yavuz Sultan Selim's power was not limited to Trabzon. He organized expeditions against the Georgians, who organized raids on Trabzon. In 1508, he organized expeditions to Kars, Ardahan, Erzurum and Artvin, and annexed them to the Ottoman lands. During Yavuz Sultan Selim's governorship in Trabzon, the propaganda movements initiated by Shah Ismail in Eastern Anatolia had become violent. Although Yavuz Sultan Selim informed his father about this situation, Bayezid II did not take any measures. Sultan Selim knew that he could not prevent these propaganda movements with his governorship. On the 24th of April 1512, he deposed his father from the throne, eliminated his brothers Korkut and Ahmet Kalibas, and became the head of the Ottoman Empire. Bayezid II died shortly after this on the 26th of May 1512, immediately after his accession to the throne. Yavuz Sultan Selim resolved the problem of Shah Ismail between 1512 and 1513. He ensured the security of the eastern part of the country. With the campaigns he organized against the Safavid state, Shah Ismail destroyed the Akayanlu state in the east and took this region under his control. Shah Ismail had caused the Sunnis living in the region to migrate to Anatolia. The only way for Yavuz Sultan Selim to consolidate his power in Anatolia was to march on Shah Ismail. Yavuz Sultan Selim embarked on a campaign against Iran with his army in 1514. On the 23rd of August 1514, as a result of the Battle of Chaldiran with the Safavid state of Iran, the Safavid state suffered a great defeat. Sultan Selim entered Tabriz and Shah Ismail fled. On the 1st of September 1514, Sultan Selim headed to Montenegro from Tabriz after the Battle of Chaldiran. Although he wanted to capture the whole of Iran, he returned to Amasya due to unfavorable weather conditions. On the 12th of June 1515, Dulkad Kroklu Principality was ended. Thus, Diyarbakir, Mardin and Bitlis were transferred to Ottoman lands, due to the alliance of the Safavid state with the Mamluk state. Yavuz Sultan Selim embarked on the Second Eastern Expedition. On the 5th of June 1516, the Ottoman army reached the borders of Egypt in a short time. The fortresses of Antep and Besni, which were connected to Egypt, surrendered in a short time. The Egyptian ruler Kanzu Gavri was defeated and killed on the 24th of August 1516. After the victory of Mursidabik, all of Syria joined the Ottoman lands. On the 28th of August 1516, after the capture of Halp, the emirs of Lebanon came under Ottoman rule. Then the cities of Gaza and Jerusalem were taken. Taman Bey, who became the head of Egypt after the Battle of Mursidabik, did not accept the Ottoman rule. The Battle of Ridani was won on the 22nd of January 1517 against the Egyptian army under Tuman Bey. With this war, the Mamluk state collapsed and Ottoman rule in the region was strengthened. On the 24th of January 1517, after the capture of Cairo, Yavuz Sultan Selim took the caliphate from the Abbasids of the Mamluk state in Cairo. After Yavuz Sultan Selim took the caliphate, the holy relics in Cairo were brought to Istanbul, the capital of the Ottoman Empire. The Ottoman Empire seized the institution of caliphate, which provides binding power and power in the Islamic religion, and thus the Ottoman Sultan Yavuz Sultan Selim became the first caliph. During the reign of Yavuz Sultan Selim, construction activities were also given importance. Diyarbakir Fatih Pasha, Elbistan Great Mosque, Minaret and Tomb of Muhyiddin Arabi in Salihai, Damascus were built. He died on the 12th of September 1522 to a boil called lion's claw. After the funeral prayer in Fatih Mosque, he was buried in the tomb in Sultan Selim Mosque. After his death, his son Suleiman the Magnificent succeeded him. The guest of our next video will be Suleiman the Magnificent. Stay tuned.